Alright, my name's Troy Young. This is TDY Sales. I've got a 2008 model F-250 crew cab, two-wheel drive, gas engine. Hadn't had this thing washed. I mean, it's clean. I'm going to get it detailed, but like I said, you're going to see in the video, it's very clean, very well taken care of. Has not been wrung hard, put up wet. It's got 97K on the miles. It's a 2008 model. Nice new tread all the way around. It's an XL model. Has cold air, AM FM CD radio. 5.4 liter gas engine. F-250. Look at that tread. Matching tread all the way around. They all look that good. Nice front grill guard. Looks like a Frontier. Might be a Frontier Ranch Hand, I'm not sure. Nice little toolbox in the back. This is what we call pleather seats. I wouldn't have it any other way. Rubber floor mats. This is a 6-passenger truck. Crank windows. They've had a seat cover on the front. Still on there, hadn't taken it off. No sense in it, I don't think. Nice cold air. I said it had a CD. I apologize. Looks like it doesn't. It's just an AM FM radio with a clock. Let's go around the front. Let's get the miles. This truck is not beat up at all. It's tight. Very clean. Like I said, look, we hadn't even had this truck detailed yet. This is the way it came in. Alright, there's your miles. 97,424. 97,424. This is a 2008 model. The 5.4 liter. Okay, you can find me on Facebook, TDY Sales. That's TDY Sales. Be sure and look at my other YouTube videos. I post all the time. Add me to your favorites. You can go to my website, which is www.tdysales.com, or give me a call. My phone number is 817-243-9840. This truck will not last long. I'm going to put it on YouTube and Craigslist and Facebook. Again, this is Troy Young, 817-243-9840.